Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today in our Preventive Maintenance series, we're going to discuss the elements of a home's foundation. This is a brief overview of the elements of a typical home's foundation. The first element of a home's foundation is the footings or the footer. This is a poured concrete footer. Note the smaller poured footing pads in the background. They are what individual foundation piers rest on. Footings are where the home meets the ground. The entire structure is supported by the footings. Footings are typically made of concrete with rebar reinforcement that has been poured into a trench. Footings also prevent or reduce settling of the structure. While reinforced poured concrete is typically how footings are constructed, there can also be caisson piers and gravel used. With homes on slab construction, a turned-down portion of the slab could serve as a footer as well. The particular footings used would be determined by building codes and possibly soil conditions. The second element of a foundation is the foundation itself. The foundation consists of the foundation walls and other vertical elements needed to support the floor system, such as piers. These are foundation walls. These are foundation piers. Foundation walls can be formed concrete, brick, or concrete block, or possibly there are no foundation walls, as would be the case with a structure built on a slab.